Morning lovelies, it's been so long since I've done a vlog. I'm so happy to be vlogging again. Me and Claudia are going to Bicester Village today, so we're going to take you along with us for some shopping. Hopefully they have some nice stuff, like sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, so I've got my fingers crossed. Mind the mess in the background, but I thought I'd show you my outfit before we leave. This is from Zara. These are from Another Stories. I'm in love with them. They're so comfy. I just think they look quite expensive and the waist fits so well, which I'm obviously surprised at because that's a rarity for me. So yeah, at Zara, Another Stories. My shoes are New Balance, and then I also picked up this bag in Mango. So it looked a bit more expensive than it actually was, so happy with that. And this is what I'm wearing. I love these. I love all these. Like this print. Okay, thank you. So pretty. Oh my god, stop. How delicious is that? That is unreal. How pretty is that? I tried this on. I wanted it in black, I did. This is the hourglass. This is the smallest tiny on me. It's like size 0. No joke, I cannot get this around my ankle. Like my ankles, I told you I had big ankles. No, that's too tight. Oh, that's killing me. I'm never going to be able to wear them. It's so tight. That's got to be wrong, hasn't it? It's like a piece of ham. That can't be right. Surely my ankles are not that big. What are they then? Are they just big? Have I just got really big ankles? Goodbye, Valentino sandals. It will not fit round my ankles. Sad times. Love these. We have stopped in the Wolseley to get something to eat. We're quite late eating, which is why it's so quiet. We're going to share both these things. So this is like a ham and cheese sandwich, and this is fish and chips. And we're just going to share both. Claudia's bought a pair of shoes so far, and I haven't bought anything. I'm so sad. So we are just waiting for the train home. We're all shopped out. I'm exhausted, to be honest. I'm so tired. Like, I can't wait to get in. I didn't buy anything. Can you believe it? I bought nothing for myself. I'm in shock. Claudia's done not so bad, haven't you, darling?
Yeah, 650.
Claudia's got 2 pairs of trainers, so successful for him.
You bought me a pair? Thank you.
Yeah, I bought him a pair of the ones because it's his birthday next month. So I bought it for him for his birthday, and not just buying it for nothing. They are for his birthday. So we're just gonna go home now. I'm both really tired. Like, I can't believe I couldn't buy anything. Literally all I wanted was to go in Dio and find something really nice. But no. And what was worse is none of the shoes fitted me. I liked so many of the shoes. I could have had shoes in so many places, but no one does a size 8. So My big feet just
Big sausages.
messed me up. The train is coming now, so I'm gonna catch up with you when I get in. We're back in the house now and wasn't as successful as I thought it was gonna be. Mind my face now, I've just had the mask on for like nearly 2 hours. We're both so tired. Claudio got some really nice trainers. Well, he got 2 pairs of trainers and I didn't buy anything. I did really like a couple of things. Like I really loved those. There was a high version of the flat shoes and you would have seen it in Valentino, but they just didn't have my size. Like I feel like no one ever has my size because I'm size 8 feet. So yeah, didn't have any luck with any of the shoes. I wanted some jewellery in Dior, just like some fashion jewellery, but it was nothing like that I was like in love with, so I'd rather just pay full price for one that I'm like in love with rather than buy it at like a discounted rate if it's not the one that I really want, if that makes sense. So yeah, I can't believe I didn't buy anything. I feel like this is what it feels like to be growing up. Like I literally bought nothing because I wasn't like in love with anything. So yeah, that's kind of it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's a little bit... Claudio, I'm trying to vlog. Will you knock that off?
Hold on.
The music? What do you mean hold on? I'm in the middle of doing something. Turn it off.
Quick.
Sorry, classic Claudio just trying to distract me. But yeah, that is it. I'm sorry it was a little bit short. I was hoping to see like a ton of things and I really wanted to show you inside Dior, but I literally couldn't get everything, my hands and my camera, and the security guard was like staring at me and I felt really uncomfortable. Like I was like, what do you think I'm doing? I don't know. I sometimes feel really uncomfortable in like super luxury designer shops. I don't know why, I just feel like weird. Sometimes people, I feel like the sales assistants are not that nice and I just feel like uncomfy. So yeah, it wasn't really like feeling the vibe to vlog in Dior because yeah, the guy was like on me. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna vlog more now. Like this is the start. I am promising I'm going to vlog a little bit more and do some more come shop with me now the shops are back open. So I'll catch you guys next week. Morning lovelies, I am in a bit of a rush today. I'm going to meet Chloe for some lunch and for some shopping, so I thought I would bring you along. The plan was to end the vlog in Bicester, but I thought, you know what, I'll bring you along. We're shopping for my friend's 30th. It's my first friend to turn 30, so I thought I would just bring you along. I'm going to go Selfridges. I want to get her something really special, something she can keep, like a keepsake. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys. It's probably going to be a short one. It's not going to be a huge come shop with me today, but I thought I would bring you anyway. So I better go because I'm in a rush. I also think these are a good option. I was thinking maybe the Dior's a bit more classic. I think these little ones, or these maybe. This is the new design, but I think I prefer these as a more classic. She has got really tiny little ears. She's got tiny ears, hasn't she?
Yeah, she doesn't have the droopy nose.
She's got tiny ears, so I think these small ones would be better. I also do like these, but I feel like this is more classic. I tried the rings, but we didn't like any enough, so we're thinking these. Absolutely love these, and I don't know if they suit me, but I do think they're really lush. I really like them.
They're fun.
Do you think they're cool?
Yeah. But they're not going to be cool for much longer.
Really?
No.
Do you think they'll go out?
Of course they will.
Why?
Imagine if you saw those 2 years ago, you'd be like, fucking hell.
I feel like you would have seen them 2 years ago though.
Oh yeah, no one wanted them. Nice short.
That's cute. Short though. That's nice. I think the jeans are one of those strong sellers, to be honest. Like I love these as well. Do you prefer them?
Yeah.
Why?
They just seem a bit more classic.
They're not as soft though. Absolutely fallen in love with this, but they haven't got my size. I wanted to try it on. Look how pretty it is. Oh my god, it's perfect. But yeah, I wanted to try it on just for fun, but they haven't got my size, so it's a no from me. How pretty is that? Why am I in here looking at all this delicious stuff? Someone tell me. Oh my god, it's so flowy and delicious. Oh my god, so I love this.
It's so pretty. Try it on.
I'm telling you to try it on.
Yeah, but while we're here.
Or
I love it flat.
Get more way out of it. Maybe that's it. So you know when you have like a fashion idea that you think's gonna work and then you put it on and it's an absolute no. Like I look like a scarecrow. Why? Oh, I'm really sad because I thought that I had something here, but they look even worse. They look even worse from the back. I look like a nappy on. Very sad though, because I thought these were going to be really nice. But it's a no. Like, I had high hopes. They're also too big though. What do you think if they actually fitted? Would they be nice or no? No. I just asked Chloe. Chloe's the harshest person. I asked her to rate my outfit out of 10. I was like, what do you rate my outfit out of 10? She first gave me a 10 and then she took me down to an 8.5 for my socks. And my trainers because they are dirty. What one? Because they can see my socks.
Yeah. I don't want to see your socks.
Basically, I had a 0.5 off for the sock, a 0.5 off for the trainers. And then she just said my underwear, you can see through the shorts, so that, although you can't in this, you know. She's a harsh critic, and my outfit's got an 8.5. But I'll roll with it because she's harsh, so. I'm just picking up a little treat. We are done. We are just leaving now. We're going to get the two back home. Successful day. I will catch up with you guys when we get in. Hi everyone, back in the house now. I've just come to sit outside because it is so hot, honestly. The tube, everything is just London's just absolutely crazy at the minute. So hot. I've just got massive sweat on. But yeah, there's a plane going over now, so you probably can't even hear me either. It's just I'm so tired, honestly. I'm so used to not doing anything. Like a day of shopping, it just wrecks me. My legs are aching, but a really productive day. I ended up getting the Christian Dior earrings, the little studs with the diamonds in. How lush are they? Like, it's going to be such a nice gift for her. She's going to love them, and I just think they'll be perfect for her, like just for a 30th, just like a keepsake. I just think it's such a nice thing that you wouldn't necessarily buy yourself, but like something you would keep forever, so hopefully she likes them. Vlog, sorry, but the only thing is we didn't find that much stuff, which is why I didn't just do a Bicester Village vlog, because I just felt like it was quite, not rubbish, but there just wasn't that much stuff I loved, so I didn't vlog that much. And I went in Dior there to try and find something, but I just didn't like anything as much as I liked them earrings. They didn't have anything like that there. Like it was all very different, and also that I felt like almost like I didn't fit in. Like in Bicester Village, they were like, the stores were like really, I felt like they were really posh, and I was like a little bit, not embarrassed, but I felt like a bit awkward, and I was like, oh, I just feel a bit weird in here. And I said to Claudia, I was like, sometimes in like designer shops I always feel like the staff are like judging me or something, and he was like, oh, don't be silly. But I just felt a little bit awkward in the shops in Bicester Village, which is strange because this is like an outlet place for discounts and stuff. But yeah, in Selfridges I felt fine. Like the girl was so lovely in Dior, like such a sweetheart, and they were just really nice. Like there's no egos or anything. So if I go, I do want the Dior saddlebag. I might go back to Selfridges because they were just really nice in there. Yeah, so that is kind of it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up with you next week.